Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Eco Market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about plastic-free products.
You want to know about plastic-free products? Yes, we have many here.
You have not bought plastic-free before. No problem. I can show you.
What products you have?
What products do you have? We have bamboo toothbrushes, cloth bags, and glass bottles.
Are they expensive?
Some are a little more, but they last long and are good for the earth.
I want try a cloth bag.
That's a great choice. Would you like to see more?
Yes, please. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Every small change helps the planet. Hello?
Hi, are you here for the music jam?
Yes, I want to try a new instrument.
You want to try a new instrument? That's great. Which one do you want to play?
I not play any instrument before.
You have not played any instrument before? No problem. We help beginners.
Can I try the guitar?
Yes, you can try the guitar. I can show you some easy chords.
Thank you. Is it hard to learn?
No, it's not hard. Just practice a little every day.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try music.
That's wonderful. Music is for everyone. Have fun.
Hello.
Hi, are you here for the movie night?
Yes, I want to know what time movie start.
You want to know what time the movie starts? It starts at 8 o'clock tonight.
I not come here before.
You have not come here before? No problem. It's a fun event.
Can I buy ticket here?
Yes, you can buy your ticket at the entrance.
What movie play tonight?
We are showing a comedy movie tonight.
How long the movie?
How long is the movie? It is about 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to watch a movie outside.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the film and the fresh air.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Food Rescue Center. Can I help you?
Yes, I want volunteer here.
You want to volunteer here? That's wonderful. We always need help.
I not volunteer before.
You have not volunteered before. No problem. We teach new people.
What I need to do?
What do I need to do? You can help sort food and pack boxes.
When can I come?
You can come any day from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Do I need bring something?
Do I need to bring something? Just bring yourself and a smile.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help people.
That's wonderful. We are happy to have you on our team.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Seed Library. Can I help you?
Yes, I want take some seeds.
You want to take some seeds? Yes, you can choose any seeds you like.
I not use seed library before.
You have not used the Seed Library before? No problem. It's easy.
Do I need to pay for seeds?
No, the seeds are free for everyone.
How many seeds I can take?
How many seeds can I take? Please take only what you need for your garden.
Can I bring seeds back later?
Yes, you can bring seeds back to share with others.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to start my garden.
That's wonderful. Good luck with your plants.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the community kitchen. Can I help you?
Yes, I want cook for group.
You want to cook for a group? That's great. How many people?
Maybe 10 people. I not cook for many before.
You have not cooked for many before? No problem. We can help you plan.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Bring your ingredients and your recipe.
Can I use the kitchen tools?
Yes, you can use all the kitchen tools here.
How long I can use the kitchen?
How long can I use the kitchen? You can use it for 3 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to cook for everyone.
That's wonderful. Cooking together is fun.
Hello.
Hi, do you need help with the trail map?
Yes, I want to know about easy trails.
You want to know about easy trails? Yes, there are a few here.
I not hike much before.
You have not hiked much before? No problem. The green trail is the easiest.
How long is the green trail?
The green trail is 2 kilometers. It takes about 40 minutes.
Is it safe for beginners?
Yes, it is safe and flat. Many people walk there.
Do I need special shoes?
No, just comfortable shoes are fine.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try hiking.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your walk in the fresh air.
Hello?
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want borrow some paint.
You want to borrow some paint? Yes, we have many colors here.
I not borrow paint before.
You have not borrowed paint before? No problem. It's easy.
What colors I can take?
What colors can I take? You can choose any color you need.
Do I need to return the paint?
Yes, please return the paint when you finish.
How long I can keep it?
How long can I keep it? You can keep it for 1 week.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to start painting.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your art.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to dance night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the dance.
You want to join the dance? That's great. Everyone is welcome.
I not dance before.
You have not danced before? No problem. We teach beginners.
What kind of dance is it?
Tonight is salsa dancing. It's fun and easy to learn.
Do I need special shoes?
No, just wear comfortable shoes.
How long the dance last?
How long does the dance last? About 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try dancing.
That's wonderful. Let's have fun together.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Repair Café. Can I help you?
Yes, I want fix my toaster.
You want to fix your toaster? Of course. What is the problem?
It not work. The bread stay cold.
It does not work? The bread stays cold? Maybe the heating element is broken.
I not fix toaster before.
You have not fixed a toaster before? No problem. We can do it together.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just your toaster and a smile.
How long it take to fix?
How long does it take to fix? Maybe 30 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to learn something new.
That's wonderful. Let's fix your toaster together.